This must be some kind of review or something that Henry was gonna do. I mean, I'm Henry. All right, let's try this out. Yeah. Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Oh, that stuff really works. Today we're gonna be doing a product review. Obviously this is from Amazon. I'm gonna just rip this bag up because I don't know what the hell it is, you know what I mean? Oh. Look at here what we got. Oh. This is from Carsun. Carsun. I was in Carson City. Carsun. It's a portable tire inflator. I think he's done, I think I've done so many of these in the past, you know what I mean? I don't know what the hell Henry's gonna do with all them car tire inflators. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing about them car inflators. But anyway, we're just gonna be opening up this box here. There ain't nothing else in the box there. At least anything I could see. Anyhow, comes in this little bag here. It's small, you know what I mean? These there are them instructions. Get out of here, we don't need no instructions. Yeah. On the back here, we got the inflator hose. That there's the inflator hose. Oh, look at here. You got an area here where you can plug this into your car or truck, you know, your F-150 or something like that. And you can just plug it into the cigarette lighter and it charges. You know, it's got these nozzles, needles where you can inflate your balls. You know what I mean by inflating them balls, right? And also your blow-up toys and all kinds of different kind of nozzles, you know, to inflate like air mattresses. You know, we got one of them air mattresses in my cousin Mabel's mobile home, you know, in the trailer park. Yeah, man, we got like 4 or 5 of them, you know, and I'm always pumping them up with that foot pump. Well, now we got this thing, that would be lickety split, you know. We're going to stuff this back in here like that, right? And on the front here, you got some kind of display. I don't know if this thing's all charged up or nothing. You got some kind of LED light here. How do you even turn this thing on? I'm gonna have to read the instructions or something, man, because I can't find the power button. So I was looking through this thing. Did you know that there ain't no battery in here? You gotta plug this in your car for it to work. You know, so it's one of them things you gotta put in a trunk or whatever, and then when you're using it, you take it out when you're using it, right, and you plug it into your cigarette lighter, and then you can inflate your stuff. Well, you know, they got stuff with batteries in them, you know, and you don't gotta plug it in. You know, those are better. I mean, they're more expensive. This is probably the more less expensive one. Let's just say that. Well, you know what? I think Henry's car, my car key's around here somewhere. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it. You know, Henry should really lock the doors and stuff. My car wasn't even locked. My van's not locked, ever. We're gonna just plug this in. Oh, look at that. So it turns on. You got a LED display, and you could adjust the PSI. You know, you want it high or low, or you can set it to something and have a memory button, whatever. I'm gonna just turn this on there. Oh, it is turned on. Oh, there we go. Got a a handy light there in case you need to do it at night. And well, I don't know if this is all that powerful or not, because I put my finger over and the motor kind of like stumbled a little, you know. Well, it just stopped. So this is all nice and handy and stuff, but I don't think I would really use this for any kind of heavy duty kind of inflate, you know. I mean, it'll work to blow up balls and stuff. Maybe some blow up toys for your pool. We got one of them above ground pools at the trailer park, you know. That would work for them air mattresses and them blow up toys for the pool. And maybe, you know, a lawn tractor tire or something like that. Maybe a motorcycle. I don't know about truck tires and stuff, you know. This thing probably wouldn't hold up too much, but I mean, it's cool to have. It's better than not having it at all. You know what I mean? So that's the review of the Carsun 12V 3 amp 150 psi portable tire inflator / air compressor that you can keep in your car, because you gotta plug it into the cigarette lighter to get any power to this. There ain't no battery. See, they got some that have batteries in them, lithium ion, right? There's some that has jumper cables that you can attach to them, but those are very expensive. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if y'all want one of these things for your car, so that you don't get a flat tire and get stuck somewhere without being able to reinflate your tires. You know what I mean? Now, I don't know why they call this Carsun, because the word sun in there, this ain't solar or nothing. It would make sense if you made a solar powered one, you know, then you call it Carsun, you know, but this is called a Carsun, but it ain't solar powered. So I don't know about that, you know. Either way, though, I'd rather have this than not have it, you know, if I'm in a pinch, you know. Anyhow, thanks a lot for joining me on today's product review. We'll see y'all next time on Mowers and Blowers. Man, I always wanted to say that. I better get out of here before Henry wakes up, you know what I mean? I'll see y'all. You know what? You know, I could use this for the mobile home. I'm gonna take this anyhow, you know? Oh. The hell? Hit me on the head. The hell? I was supposed to do a review, man. Somebody sent me nothing? Well, I'm gonna go back to sleep then.
Hey y'all, it's Kylie here, and we'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowers and blowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.